Today I'll show you how to add Calendly to your Framer website using an inline embed. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully working Calendly booking calendar directly inside your page, so visitors can schedule with you without ever leaving your site. Let's start inside your Calendly account. Look for the specific event type you want to embed on your website. This might be a 15-minute call, a consultation, or any other event you've already set up. Next to that event, you'll see a button with 3 dots, usually on the right side of the event card. Click that 3 dots button to open more options. From that menu, choose the option labeled Add to Website. When you click it, Calendly will show you several ways to embed your calendar. For this tutorial, select Inline Embed. This option lets the calendar appear as part of your page layout rather than popping up in a separate window or overlay. It's ideal when you want the scheduler to feel like a natural part of your website. Once you choose Inline Embed, Calendly will automatically generate a small piece of code for you. This is typically an HTML snippet that contains everything needed to display your calendar. Take a moment to glance at it so you recognize it later, but you don't need to edit anything here. Now copy that code. You can usually do this by clicking a copy button next to the snippet or by manually highlighting the entire code block and using your usual copy shortcut. With the embed code copied, switch over to Framer, open the project where you want the Calendly calendar to appear. Decide which page and which section of that page should contain your scheduler. It might be a dedicated book a call page or perhaps a contact section on your home page. In Framer, look for the Insert panel, usually accessible via a plus icon or a menu at the top. Open Insert and in the search field type Embed or sometimes HTML, depending on how it appears in your version of Framer. You're looking for the utility that allows you to insert custom code into your design. When you find the embed or HTML utility, drag it onto your canvas and place it where you want the Calendly widget to live. Once the embed element is selected on your canvas, you'll see a code block or code editor panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Framer lets you paste any custom HTML you want displayed on the page. Click into that code block, remove any placeholder text if there is any, and then paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. After pasting, Framer should render a preview of your Calendly calendar directly in the canvas. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or toggle the preview mode to see how it looks on the live page. You can resize or reposition the embed element so it fits nicely within your layout and matches the overall design of your site. When you're satisfied with how it looks, publish or preview your site from Framer. Visit the live page in your browser and scroll to the section where you added the embed. You should now see your Calendly scheduler fully interactive and ready for visitors to book a time with you. That's all it takes to add Calendly to your Framer website using an inline embed.